guys, welcome back. Today we have a cool toy that I found while I was out shopping. It is Cave Club by Mattel, and there are 4 surprises in this. And it is a Dino Baby crystal, and apparently there is some slime and some sand and a whole bunch of other things. It's actually pretty cool. It was in the clearance section, so it probably is a little old, but I have never seen these before, so I wanted to give it a try. So we're going to go ahead and get this open. Let me know in the comments if you have these or if you've seen these before. How old are they? Let me know. So we're going to take our scissors and we're just going to go right in and open it up. And again, make sure you have help if you're using scissors, or that the people around you know you're using scissors so you don't hurt yourself, because scissors are sharp. Let's get this out. Okay, so here it is. That actually looks really pretty just on its own. I think if we put that in the window, it would collect some nice light and shine through. And it says Cave Club on the bottom, and there's some little seashells, and I guess this is supposed to be the egg, I guess, and then these are the crystals. So let's open it. Okay, it just twists open. Oh, I understand. There's all the little surprise bags. So this is like an LOL almost, except it's dinosaurs. I get it. Okay, I guess they live in the crystal, but that does look really pretty. Put some light shining through. Catch the light. Kind of cute. What do we have? Okay, some instructions and a Cave Club checklist. Okay. Oh, what a cute, let me move those out of the way. Look at that cute little checklist. So it shows you all the different ones you can get on that side. Oh, it keeps going. I'm sorry, it refolds. There we go. So it unfolds, and then it has, is this a gem that they come with? I don't know. But apparently there are 9 of them that you can collect. Okay, those are cute. I really like that that's not just a plain piece of paper in the way it opens up. Almost like a snowflake. That is cute. All right, let's move this out of the way. And here are the packages. Let's open them. Okay, so I'm assuming this is going to be the character, and then these are our accessories. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, and they have cute little question marks on them. So now can we just rip them open? No, we're going to need the scissors. All right. Let's see. Ah, there's our little dinosaur, and it is a swimming dinosaur. Let's find this one on our checklist. Okay. Let's see, which one are you? I'm thinking it's going to be this one. Looks like this one. Yeah, there's the purple on its back. But that one has hair. I'm thinking one of the surprises is going to be the hair, because that's the dinosaur. And there's no hair. All right. Let's open up this one. Feels small. And then, or this one. Let's open up this one. Give it a little cut. What's in there? Come on out. And it's her hair. So there is the bone and the hair. Okay, and then it's just going to click in here. Okay, perfect. Look at her hair. Oh, that is so cute. It stands right up. Oh, almost like a Flintstone. Look at that little dino. I don't know, does her hair stand up, or is it supposed to, okay, it's supposed to curl back. I guess you could style her hair however you want. That is cute. Let's open up the next accessory. That's this one. Okay, and does it have, no. Let's see. Okay, here we go. Let's get it out. Oh, there's 2 things. What in the world are these? Let's see, let's see, let's see. This one's stuck. Okay. Oh, okay. These are, I don't know what these are. I don't know. They're hollow. There's a hole. You can, are they rings? No. Do they go on her flippers? Like water wings? What are these? Let's go back to that checklist because I don't know. Oh my goodness. They are water wings. So they go onto her, I guess, front flippers. Well, they don't stick very well. I guess like that. I guess like that. What an odd accessory for a swimming dinosaur. Okay, sure. I don't know what else you would do with these to repurpose them for something else, but okay. Let's keep that checklist close because there's one more accessory to open up. And this one feels goopy, so I'm assuming this one is going to be the slime. And it has a tear on it. So let's tear it open. Yeah, that's slime. Okay. And it is, oh, it's pretty. It's sparkly. Here, let's stick it right into here so you can see it. It is glittery blue. If it ever oozes out, it's got glitter in it. I like that. Okay, is there more? Oh, it's all stuck to the inside of the package. Okay, now it's on me. There, look at that. Now, I don't know, is she supposed to swim in this? It is really pretty. There is sparkles in it. Can you guys see the sparkles in there? It's a really pretty blue. It's almost like the water. I like that. Let's put that in there. That is really, really pretty. And I'm getting glitter on me from touching it. Well, I quite enjoyed this. I've never seen these toys before, and I'm glad I bought one. Let me know in the comments, guys, do you have these little dino caves or cave clubs? Which dinosaurs do you have? Do these guys have names? Like, I know the LOLs have names, but these don't have names. I think next time I would really like to get this sloth. I love sloths. And then all the different dinosaurs. This was actually quite fun to open. All right, that's it for now, guys. I'll see you guys next time. Make sure you like and subscribe and you follow me on Instagram. Bye, guys.